Here it is, 2022 Long Range Model Y. Just picked it up to replace my 2020 Model Y, which was the performance version. This is just the long range version. And I'm going to do a bunch of stuff to this car. The question is, what am I going to do to this car? I would bet everybody watching has some kind of an idea. So let's try something here. This may be a little something different. I'm going to modify this car. I'm not going to go too crazy. It has a full paint protection film on it. It has ceramic over that. I want to make it so that it is my primary long distance traveler. I want to deck it out so that I have some comforts. As you guys know, I'm also a ham radio operator. Maybe I want to install some gear in here. I am up for suggestions, and why don't you go ahead and put in the comments what you think I might do here in this long-range Model Y. I'm up for anything. I'm not going to do anything crazy, but if you guys have some really good suggestions of some improvements I might do here to the Model Y, please put it in the comments section. Over the next few videos, I've got a couple basic things. Let's have a look inside and we'll see exactly what I think I need to do. If you have not seen inside of a long-range Model Y, here's what it looks like. You have normal type window controls. You've got to get out of the car control. This slot right here is where the air comes out. You have a steering wheel. It doesn't have a bunch of junk like you would on a regular fossil fuel car. These wheels, though, are interesting. If you look closely, they roll up and down, they click to the right, they click to the left, and since I'm on Bluetooth, when I clicked in on this thing, it stopped the recording. So we're back. Over here are the directional signals, blinking controls, I call it the blinker. Over here is the gear shift. On the end right here is the park. Main screen shows you all of the functionality of the car. The screen is a glass screen, very much like your cell phone or tablet. This is a touch screen in every quadrant of the car. There's no reserved spaces, so depending upon what you put here, the activation area wherever you touch changes, but I do have access over the entire screen. Up above, lights. We've got two reading lights. These can be activated. The main hazard lights are a mechanical switch here. Normal mirror, it's manually controlled. And of course in a Tesla, and you can kind of see, it's a gigantic entire glass roof. No bars, no nothing in the way. On the floor right now, there are a set of basic mats here. You can kind of see them. They're reasonable carpety mats. Maybe room for improvement there. Underneath here, of course, is places to charge your cell phone if it's an inductively charged phone. In here is a hatch that can be closed. You open it here. And inside of the hatch, of course, is a lighted compartment. There are some rails here. Perhaps you can do some upgrades, put something there. Two places for drinks right here. Inside of this hatch here is yet another compartment that's lit. Places for possibly some upgrades, maybe a tray or something like that. Right behind here are manual controls. It's the only manual controls in the whole car, and a couple of USBs for the passengers in the back. In the back of the car, it's hard to see, but it will sit 5 easily. There will be plenty of space for that. And then in the very back, there's yet more space. The question is what do we do? I know that I have a minimum things that I do want to do. I would like to put a set of floor mats since I live on a farm. There's a lot of dirt. mud occasionally and those kinds of things. And yes, I do get mud in my cars, even though I really try not to. Other thing is, I would like to put a screen protector on. Just like you do on your cell phone, you want to make sure that you have some form of screen protection. If someone would have a diamond ring or something, you could easily scratch the glass, and certainly you don't want to do that. Maybe some exterior things, I'm not sure. I'd like you guys to go ahead and make suggestions in the comment below on this video. I think between the floor mats and the screen protector and probably a few other things, I've got some ideas, but I would sure like your input. Go ahead and make a comment. Let me know what you would do on your car, and it may sound like I need to do it here in the Tesla. Over the next few videos, we'll get into modifying and improving the inside and outside of the Tesla. I am counting on you guys to give me suggestions, so get in the comments and let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'd certainly appreciate it. I'll look for you in the next videos after I check out those comments. Thanks for watching. Take care.